In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do AI graphic design with Canva AI plus Adobe Firefly. Start by opening up Canva AI inside canva.com. And here, start creating your layout like a social media post, poster, or ad design. Then next is head over to Adobe Firefly. And here, you can start creating backgrounds, textures, or unique images using simple prompts. Now download your AI generated visuals, then bring them back into Canva. And now here you can start combining everything. You can add text, colors, include icons, and align your design with your brand style. You can use Canva AI's tools to enhance the layout, spacing, and overall look. And if needed, you can always go back to Adobe Firefly to generate more assets and refine your design. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!